In this video, we will cover the grain weight calibration process. The following process applies to InCommand displays version 2.5 and newer. Calibrating the grain rate is required to record high quality and accurate yield data. This data can then be used to compare seed varieties or effectiveness of fertilizers or other products. The headlands will need to be harvested before beginning so that you aren't starting and stopping during the calibration. For this tutorial, we will use a certified scale to calibrate with. For other weigh device options, please refer to your Harvest Feature User Guide. Once ready to begin the grain weight calibration, tap the Weight Calibration button. Tap the New Load button. The display will ask you if you are sure that you want to begin a new calibration load. Verify the grain tank is empty, and then tap the green check. Now you will begin harvesting at full grain flow and harvest until the grain tank is full. Once the grain tank is full, stop harvesting and tap the End Calibration button. The display will ask you for sure that you want to end the calibration load. Verify all the grain has been unloaded to be included in the actual scale weight. Tap the green check. Once you have the weight from the scale, tap the Actual button. Enter the actual weight from the certified scale and tap the green check. For this tutorial, we are going to rename the load. This is helpful when there are multiple combines on the same farm to determine which calibration goes with which combine. Tap the load you want to rename and tap the Load Name button. We will name ours the date and then the combine model. Tap the green check. We will need to do a second calibration load. For the second load, we will need to perform it harvesting at half grain flow, so we will slow down to half our normal ground speed. Tap the New Load button. Tap the green check to accept creating a new load and that you have verified the grain tank is empty. Begin harvesting at half ground speed and go until the grain tank is full. Once the grain tank is full, stop harvesting and tap the End Calibration button. The display will ask you for sure that you want to end the calibration load. Verify all the grain has been unloaded to be included in the actual scale weight. Tap the green check. Once you have the weight from the scale, tap the Actual button. Enter the actual weight from the certified scale and tap the green check. Tap the second load and then tap the Load Name button. This load we will label as the date, combine model, and the letter H to represent half grain flow. Tap the green check, then tap the back arrow. You have now completed the grain weight calibration and are ready to begin harvesting. Please refer to your Harvest Feature User Guide for more information on harvest calibrations, including more load options and acceptable weigh device options. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.